Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert interactive chart in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now, here are many menu. Now I'm go to the chart menu, and you can see here are 2D or interactive. Now I'm go to the interactive and choose any chart. Now press shift on your keyboard and decrease the size easily. You can move anywhere this chart. Now I'm change the chart color. Now firstly select the chart and you can choose any color easily. Now you can see insert interactive chart in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.